Today we're going to be learning about a mathematical concept called the Cramer's rule. So what the Cramer's rule does is you take these two equations, you put it into a visual representation called matrices, and you solve these matrices. This is just another way to solve x and y. So we have these two linear equations. 3x plus 2y equals 7. 2x minus 4y equals minus 2. So we want to find x and y. So we can use Cramer's rule, and it follows this format. Determinant A, we want to find a determinant of these two. What is determinant A? Well, you first put these coefficients of 3x, 2y, 2x, minus 4 as each letter. So 3 would be A, 2 of 2y would be B, 2x would be C, minus 4 would be D. Then you do A times D minus B times C to find a determinant. So let's find a determinant. We'll label this as determinant D. So D would equal 3 as A, and then we have D minus 4. 3 times minus 4 minus 2 times 2, B and C. 2 times 2, and this equals to minus 12 minus 4 equals minus 16. So once we find a determinant of these two equations, we want to find a determinant of each individual equation. So I'll label the first one as determinant x, and the second one as determinant y. So let's find determinant x. Determinant x is following the same concept, but just in a slightly different format. So you will now use the first answer of determinant x and the first y of determinant x, and then the first answer of determinant y and the first y of determinant y. So what I mean is take the answer 7, take the y coefficient 2, take the answer determinant y minus 2, and take the the coefficient of y minus 4. Use the same format. AD minus BC, 7 times minus 4 minus 2 times 2. Make sure that the minus cancel out to make a plus. So you have minus 28 plus 4 equals minus 24. That is determinant x. Determinant y has a little different format as well. So now what we do, take the x of determinant x, coefficient, so it's 3, take the answer, again, of determinant x, 7, take the x of determinant y, 2, and take the answer of determinant y, minus 2. Make sure this order is exactly the same as I show. So now we will do AD minus BC, 3 times minus 2, minus 7 times 2, equals minus 6, minus 14, equals minus 20. We're not done yet, because we haven't found x and y yet. So we have the determinants, determinant y, we have determinant x, and determinant of this A, the whole equation. So we want to find x and y. So x is in the format dx over d, or determinant x over determinant. So that would be minus 24 over minus 16. We can simplify this to 3 over 2, and that is x. Now we want to find y. Y is determinant y over determinant, which equals 2 minus 20 over minus 16. I simply just took these answers, and that's all I did. Now we can simplify this to 5 over 4. And since these two are negative, they turn positive. And that's how you find x and y. And this is how you use Cramer's rule. Thank you.